Hey guys, here it is, 2024. And unfortunately, as you can probably tell, I have been enjoying the festive season. Maybe a little too much. I went out for Christmas dinner. I had to put on 4 pairs of pants before I finally found one I could do up, and they were stretchy. So it was actually a cheat. So this year, one of my resolutions, not a New Year's Eve resolution, but a resolution, I am gonna lose some weight. Right now, we're just gonna see how bad the feasting has been. I'm almost afraid to step on this scale. And it says, mind you, I am fully dressed. Fully dressed. It records a reading of, oh my God, 262 pounds. I think this is every scale. It's starting to flash. One person only, please. Anyway, that is a start. 262, we will keep you apprised of the progress, the success, or the failure. Good luck to me.
And what's the plan though for your diet, or like your food intake and what you're gonna eat? And
it is a very simple plan. I'm gonna quit eating. And not only that, me and Fatso here are gonna start exercising, right, Link? You're gonna help me lose some weight, and I'm gonna help you lose some weight. Okay, guys, we'll keep you posted. And remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy.